Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, dude, there's a freaking black bear. There's a freaking black bear. Was just literally in this trash. I got that on video. Oh my gosh. He's just walking through the woods.
Man, you can smell that trash, bro. It's got fish in it. Oh, he's coming to eat, bro.
Dude, he was standing right there.
Where'd he go?
Oh my gosh. I'm like shaking right now. I finally did it. I literally told Ashley on the way here, I was like, oh no, I want to see a black bear in Florida because they have the signs. I saw a turkey 2 times ago. Yes! There's, dude, look at this thing. Just tame as can be. Dude, there's a freaking black bear right there. Huh. Look at that black bear. There's a freaking black bear right there. Have you ever seen one in Florida? You have? You have though?
Yeah.
Okay. I ain't never seen one just walk up like that. I turned around, literally, dude, no, it scared me. I literally turned, I saw it when I got out.
Was it in the trash can?
No, it was on the outside. Put it this way. I saw it, walked, I turned, saw it. And then it registered. My brain said, did I just see what I just saw? Did I?